Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video I'm going to show you iPhone 13 Pro Max how to factory reset without PC method. First of all, go to the setting and click the general and swipe down. Click the transfer or reset iPhone and click the erase all content and setting. Press continue. Click the erase iPhone. Oh my goodness, your phone is totally factory reset. If you try this method, your data always delete, photos, videos always delete. Be careful. Oh my goodness, your phone is now totally factory reset. And set up your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi, and I will connect to my another mobile hotspot. And if you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. Okay, see you, bye next video.